Alright, so we're going to show you a real quick way to determine if you have a vacuum leak. Say you don't have a scanner, or you don't have a bunch of expendable equipment, and you just want to find a quick way to check if there is a vacuum leak. So I'm going to start it up real quick. So you can see it's running like kind of like crap. And what you're going to do is get your some little brake clean, and you're just going to spray it around and see if it smooths out on you. So you hear that changing? So you can see how that smooths out. That tells us that we have a vacuum leak. And it tells us that it's going to be obviously in the intake area. Maybe you want to, and if you want to like get a little bit more precise on where it is, I'm going to turn it off real quick. I'm going to hook up the smoker, and we're going to run that real quick.